What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to put a set of jam handles on the truck here, and I know you're like, John, what the f are jam handles? But let me show you. These are jam handles. They come in every single color in the world. They come in a couple different sizes. We have a 4-hole, we have 3-hole, they come with 2-hole, and I believe they also have 5-hole. And what happens is you take one of these things, they have 3M like sticky tape on the back, you open up your door and you mount this on your door jamb. And so like you do that to, you can close your door this way, and that prevents you getting fingerprints all up the side of your door after you just, spend 3 hours washing your truck. And I know people are gonna hate and be like, well, John, you still get, dirty hand fingerprints on your actual handles. You still have to open your door, and you're right. But nobody really notices those. You notice all the dirt like alongside this and this, your greasy ass French fry fingerprints, and so that just kind of stops it. You just like mount it here. I bought the 4-hole ones for the front doors. I got the 3-hole ones for the rear doors. Mount them here on the side, close it up, and you just kind of go from there. I'm not gonna do an install because it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna put them on the truck, and I just want to show you guys what they look like. Yep, just like that. They're pretty easy, self-explanatory. Can you see it there? There we go. They're actually a little tight to mount on the rear doors. I had plenty of space up here in the front. But yeah, it's nothing crazy at all. They work well, and I'm not being paid by Jam Handle, but I do want to say these are the first set that I ordered. You can see they're all kind of like scratched up. Maybe you can't. Camera's not focusing that great. Can you see? Okay, and I'll show you these pictures right here. That's how they first arrived to my house. I know it's not Jam Handle's fault, and they know that as well, but I received them, looked like someone like took my package, stomped on it, kicked it around, stuff like that. And they showed up to my house like that. I took pictures of them, I sent them in to the owner of Jam Handle, and right away he sent me a new set. So that's excellent customer service. I can't, if you want to do business with me, let me know. I'll sell your stuff. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you haven't already. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. Join the family, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.